Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 includes shirts and pants. Correct. Number 2, Bob is in front of the house. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. You have a lot of clothes. You have a lot of clothes. Clothes. You have many shirts and pairs of pants. Now we can make a flashcard for clothes. The pronunciation is the same as to close the door. Please make a flashcard like this. Write clothes up here in the top left corner. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Down here, N1, regular. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 40 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Clo. Close. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is in front of the car. Jennifer is in front of the car. In front of. Jennifer is in front of the car. The car is behind her. Now we can make a flashcard for in front of. Please make a card like this. B in front of SS. This means somebody or something. Down here, the code. ADG. ADJ means adjective. ID means idiom. Level 1. Over here, the number 6 out of 7. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. In front of. In front of. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer has many jackets and many shirts. She has many clothes. And the red pen is in front of the blue pen. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words today. This is catch as a noun. We say, good catch. And a professor is a book or a person? A person that teaches at a university. Number 3, To copy. Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.